Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add call now buttons in your WordPress website. Here you can go and add a new plugin. Click on add plugin, then search for call now button. So you will find out multiple plugins. You can check one by one. And here is the plugin that I want to use. Now let's go back on installed plugins page, then activate the plugin. So after that, let's go to plugin settings. Here you can click on enable. Then here you can add your phone number. So let me select my country name and let me add some random number. And here you can change button text and select the button position. For example, let me add here call now, and these are different button positions. After that, you can customize the button color whatever you want, and then click on save changes. So by default this one is selected show only on mobile devices. You can disable so that it should be visible on all type of devices. Let's go and reload this page. Now here you can see button is available on this page.